Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy WhiteDesku, and today, y'all saw the title of the video. It's been a couple of years since I got my original PC from NZXT, and there it is right there. It's just sitting right there on this little custom shelf thing I got going on over there. But recently I had an issue yet again with the PC, and this time, all of my games, all my game files are corrupted and whatnot. And I've been trying for multiple days now to fix it, but I couldn't fix it. So I was like, okay, I could do one of two things: buy a new PC, or I'm not sure, or just try to fix it myself, or something, or get a console to play games on and stream. I do got a game capture device over there. You see it? Little. What you call it? It's the HG60S. Anyways, yeah, I got a console, or I could just buy a new PC. So I decided to get a new PC, and I went with a company called PowerGPU. I never heard of this company before. I had to do some research. I could have went with a couple companies. I could have went with Seattle Built PCs. I could have went with NZXT again, but I'm hearing that their PCs aren't that good anymore. So I went with a different brand. Of course, I chose PowerGPU. I could have went with Ironside. There was a lot of choices I could have chose from, but I went with PowerGPU since they seem to have a really good deal on some of their PCs, at least for me personally, for what I was looking for my budget. So yeah, we decided to get this. Trying to get this beauty right here. It's called the Iced Out PC. It's a pre-built PC that's ready to ship, so it's definitely like 100% custom made. No bloatware, nothing like that, at least from what I could see. And I'll put all the specs right here so you can see what the specs are on the PC. But I'm just gonna wait here so you guys can look at the specs. Alright, so I got the box right here. Let me just. There's a box right here. Don't worry, I'm not gonna drop it like I did last time with the other PC. Alright, so I got my little unboxing knife right here. Whew. Y'all ready? Alright. I'm nervous. A whole lot of dunnage. What's this? Let's see. Required to keep bots during warranty period. This is the MSI MPG Z790 Edge Wi-Fi DDR4. Oh, it's the motherboard. I just realized that. Okay, so it's the parts to the motherboard. I got a list right here. It says PowerGPU certified software testing checklist. Windows is installed, drivers are installed and updated, mobile software downloaded, drivers updated. Mobile means motherboard if you guys don't know. BIOS updated, ZXP enabled. Okay, cool, so I can overclock this. Fans curve set, superposition, OCCT testing, RAM DDR5 only. Wait, really? I could have sworn they gave me DDR4 RAM, and this is a whole DDR4 motherboard. Interesting. Miscellaneous RGB software, IQL Connect, Elgato, etc. Windows activated. Final check. I didn't really know what software they have in terms of Windows, but this is the boxes for everything they have in here. So the RAM sticks I see. Wait. Yeah, this is DDR4 RAM. It's the power cables for the PC. I don't know what this is. This okay, more cable ties and stuff like that. Okay. Whew. Alright. Like I said, I gotta take this PC out the box. Here goes nothing. Let's move this. Got this huge padding. Respect. They're keeping that PC safe.
Yo, I love how they give me the boxes for everything. Like, NZXT didn't do that for me. Got the whole box of the GPU. The RTX GeForce 370 Zotac Gaming Twin Edge. Oh, it's white too. Okay, it's a match the color of the PC and everything. Awesome, awesome. Alright, here's the actual PC right here. I'm gonna be as careful as I can be. God, this is heavy. Alright, I'm gonna move this. The moment of truth. Yo, shout out to the technician RB. RB, if you've seen this video, hey, appreciate you. Everything looks safe. Very safe. Wow, they've got everything down to the padding for the motherboard, GPU, everything's intact. But we'll see if we take it out. So, phew. Alright, it's coming out. Make sure I be very careful with this PC right here. I'm not gonna get into how much this thing costs, because alright, we got it out safely. Thank God. Yo, PowerGPU did a great job with the packaging and all. But I want to make sure that I check for everything just in case. And by the way, the styrofoam's at the very bottom, so it's not touching the carpet. Tempered glass. Okay, the glass is in perfect condition. I don't see no imperfection. Oh no, I do see some imperfections. Like I see some like minor scratches on top. But I could have been from like shipping. But it does look good though. It looks brand new, clean. Very clean. Alright, don't worry. So I think I'm gonna put this. Well, let me see how I can take the styrofoam out. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what the PC looks like turned on. Alright, so now I got my editing computer right there. I got my main streaming PC right here. I'm gonna pull off this little tape right here, and then we're gonna turn the PC on for the first time. PC ASMR. Yes, sir. Alright, I'm in the dark right now. I'm gonna turn this thing on for the first time. Hey, yo. Alright, there's my desk right there. Hopefully everything powers up. Interesting. The bottom fans aren't glowing for some reason, but the top ones are. Wow, it works. I need to see what's wrong with the bottom fans. Probably it's... Oh, probably it might have to do with the, what you call it. Either they're not... Are they plugged in? Yeah, they are plugged in. I'm not sure what's going on with that, actually, but, one sec. Okay, as you guys can see behind me, the PC is booted up 100%. I don't know what's wrong with the fans down here, because they're not moving at all. Probably that's what I need to look into. Hopefully nothing's damaged there, but everything seems to be working fine. Getting everything set up as we speak. And, yeah, it's actually pretty awesome. That PC looks good. I got two PCs. I got my other one here for editing, and I got this one for streaming. And probably for editing too. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It'll probably take me a couple months before I can like properly review this PC. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy it the best way I can. I will be streaming Tuesday. I don't know what I'm gonna be streaming yet. It could be Warzone, it could be Fortnite, or it could be just chatting stream, who knows. But we could be talking about this on stream. Alright? But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.